Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Estamos en la primera semana de abril y ahora trabajamos en el módulo 9 y se llama la rutina diaria. What I said was hello class. We are in the first week of April now and we are working through module 9. So I wanted to check in with you and let you know of a few really important things that you can find in our course homepage. So, the first one is actually when you log in. I did add a few things to the news section of our course. The first one is a great vocabulary project example for you. And then the next is the third extra credit opportunity that you have. And remember that in order to submit these for extra credit, you have to upload them to the ELO Dropbox. It is on the top of your Dropboxes, and I can actually show you right now where that goes. But you are going to be recording these 5 trabalenguas, which are tongue twisters, and you want to record them without messing up. So, número uno, por ejemplo, es como poco, coco como, poco coco compro. And I will not bore you with the rest. I'm not that great at them because I haven't been practicing, but it's a great opportunity and it will replace your lowest speaking grade. So make sure that you remember to upload that into the ELO Opportunity Dropbox. So that can be found under Dropboxes, ELOs. And the other thing I really wanted to spend a little bit of time on is going over the content with you, because I have found that some students, even though we're more than halfway through the semester, are still struggling a little bit with grammar quizzes. You're not doing so great on grammar, and if that's the case, then I think it's time for you to spend a little time finding how you can prepare for the grammar quizzes and the tests, and really spend time practicing the material that we're learning. So, módulo 9, la rutina diaria y las enfermedades. That's where we're working on. And when you go into the content, all modules are the same. We have our introduction, we learn our vocabulary, and then we spend time working on grammar. So grammar is usually right around page 5. There are typically 2 pages of grammar. So you are learning reflexive verbs in Module 9. And there are some really great notes, a really great explanation of the pronouns that you use, how to conjugate the verb, where they're placed. I mean, really, just the whole explanation is here for you. So many great examples of verbs that are reflexive. And then on the bottom, after we have some really great videos to explain the topic, we get to an activity. These activities are crucial for you to complete if you want to be successful on the grammar quiz or the test. So I'm just going to do a couple of them. Okay, and then what if I get one wrong? Marta y yo would be nosotros, so the pronoun should be nos, but what if I what if I just didn't get the verb right whatsoever? So it would be say, but it's not, and quitan, okay? All right, so what happens when I get them right versus when I get them wrong? I see a check mark next to all the right answers. And then I see the X, I see what I got incorrect, but it also tells me what the correct answer was. This is the best thing you can do when you are unsure about the grammar. Take the practice and see what the right answers are, because then it'll help you say, oh, that's right, the verb is actually cepillar. And the pronoun for Marta y yo is not say, it's nos. When you see the correct answer while you're going through this in real time, you're kind of like, oh, that's right, that's right. And it's a lot easier to fix those little mistakes you're making. So these practices, again, I can't stress the importance enough, and they are found on the very bottom of every one of your grammar practices. If you have any questions, if there's anything I can assist you with, please just send me an email or call me on the office number that you see on the homepage. I'm very willing to meet you in the jigsaw room to go over some notes. We could do, some sort of like a face-to-face via Skype or via Teams or via Jigsaw. There's opportunities for us to sit down and chat about what's going on in Spanish class and how do we finish the semester strong. So, gracias, buena suerte, hasta luego.